Good day, guys. Welcome to Bitcoin Bounce. My name is Joseph, and today I want to show you why I think it is time to sell Ethereum. And I think there's a good 8 to 10% profit target in there with a small stop loss, and I'll show you on the chart just now why I think so. So let's just talk for a moment about the plan for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has finally started to make some rallies to the upside. First going to do 23,000, which it hit now, then 25, then 28, then 33. But somewhere in there, we're going to have a lot of pullbacks between those levels, and Bitcoin is going to go sideways to build a good foundation before a great bull. Now, my expectation is actually for a big bull run not to be in 2023, but actually to be in 2024. And like we had this massive down run in 2022, then in 2023 we have more a sideways upwards movement in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then in 2024, then that's when things peak and we have a strong upwards movement. That's my prediction where Bitcoin and Ethereum is going. But now on a shorter time frame, I really believe, Bitcoin will go up a little bit. We're probably going to go from 23 up to the 25 level, but then we're going to have to get a pullback at least to the $21,000 level. So let's go to the charts and just look at what is happening. So like I said, this ladder for the Bitcoin in the short term is 23, then 25, 28, and then 23. $1,000. Okay, so that's kind of our Bitcoin ladder that we're working towards. So hopefully, Bitcoin can go a little sideways here and then hit the 25,000 level, and then we see a pullback all the way down to 21. So that's kind of the roadmap that we have right now for Bitcoin. This $25,000 level is actually a very strong resistance. Remember, a few months back, Bitcoin went up the moment it hit 24, and then that's when we saw the big pullback. Okay, but now there is a small chance that Bitcoin could immediately do a pullback to this level, and possibly even all the way down to the bottom of this level, maybe 20,000 or even 19,000. Okay, and I want to show you why. If I go on my Ethereum chart, I drew you here a trend line, and this trend line has been respected for quite some time. But now on the 4-hour chart, we have this candle. This is a break on the 4-hour chart on this trend line, and that's our first indication that we possibly are going to see a pullback, possibly on this level right here, just where those wicks are sitting. And so my expectation is for Ethereum to come down to that level. Okay, and so the moment Ethereum come down, it's really just a sideways movement, because you can see, it went up and then down and then a little bit higher high, and then it comes down again, and then it could possibly go even higher. But just that little bit of movement to the downside is going to be enough to trigger a massive sell-off on Bitcoin and on some of the alts. Now, if you go and look at MATIC, MATIC had a steady climb, but then we had a lower low. You see there's a higher low, and now you got a lower low, and so that little double top pattern also gives us a strong signal that MATIC might be doing this. On ADA, we had a higher low and we had a higher high. Okay, so MATIC is actually showing still some momentum to maybe go up into this level and even go higher. On XRP, still very strong momentum to the upside, but when Ethereum starts moving back, then the XRP might bounce back, go back here, and then we see a lot. The head and shoulders. There's the left shoulder, there's the head, then we got the right shoulder, and then the downwards pattern. Okay, and possibly then a support level over here. So maybe I drew that line a little bit too long. Okay, and then of course on the AVAX, so the AVAX is a very sensitive coin. So again, I have the first the shoulder, and there's my head, and I believe there's going to be a shoulder again there, and then we might go all the way back down to 12 cents on the AVAX coin. So guys, that is kind of my expectation, what's going on. So to go back to the Ethereum coin, so what I would do if I would be you here at the 1660 level, okay, I would put my stop loss, and then I would put my take profit at 1500, and then possibly move your stop loss down as you move, and possibly see if you can reach maybe 1450. There could be like one little spike just down to 1450, but definitely 1500 is a good level. You can see it's a small stop loss, quite a big take profit. For me, that is the trade of the day. But be aware, the moment it hits this level, then the bulls and the buyers is going to get back in again and want to push the market to the upside. We see a lot of leverage in the market right now. So I think there is a lot of stops just below there. And I think there's going to be a week that just go beyond that level. And then we're going to see a good run to the upside. All right, guys. Thank you very much. That's my predictions for today. I only have this one short on Ethereum. But on the long term, I'm very excited about this. What could possibly be the start of the bull run, or at least the start of a sideways upwards movement for Bitcoin. Okay, so Deon is going to be back tomorrow again, and he is going to talk to us about the markets. Where is the markets going? He's going to do a proper market analysis for us, and hopefully he's going to find some really awesome signals for you. Have a great evening.